Haha. I guess that's how we're starting the video.
Kind of.
Alright, there we go. Shell is clean. Shell gas station.
Shell?
Yes. It says woman driver at the controls. You'll see it.
I need to watch the other video guys did. I don't. Oh, yep, there he is.
Corey,
What the bleed?
you sound dying.
I was just taking a nap.
Corey, we're recording a video. And we're not being funny enough. So we need you.
But I'm tired.
No, Corey, you have to do the funny.
I don't drink coffee, Dan.
Then drink gallons of water like you do.
If I want to wake up, I'll drink caffeinated tea.
But why won't you drink the coffee?
'Cause I like tea.
No.
I might possibly be British, considering I like trains and tea. But anyway.
Watch, it's about to be self-promotion.
Your mom.
Jack, get out of the call! Get out of the call!
With its coal cars. Oh crap, it derailed. Oh, what am I... Oh crap. Okay, we have a bit of an issue now. I've just created a bigger mess trying to put it into the siding. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. Really? Really? Oh, every single hopper car just tipped over. Oh my god. Yeah, it actually runs pretty good. Well, I guess that's it. I mean, we did a restoration, and yeah.
Yes.